What if I told you a traditional Chinese massage could help stroke survivors improve their muscle function? It's called Tui Na. Tui Na is an ancient Chinese massage therapy that's making waves in modern medicine. A recent study showed that Tui Na significantly reduces spasticity in post-stroke patients. Spasticity is that frustrating muscle tightness and involuntary contractions many stroke survivors face. In this study, 90 patients received either Tui Na or a placebo massage for 20 to 25 minutes per limb, 5 days a week for 4 weeks. The results? Remarkable improvement in muscle flexibility and function. And the best part? These benefits lasted for at least 3 months. Tui Na involves techniques like pressing, kneading, rolling, and grasping to relax muscles and improve blood flow. Plus, it's safe, no adverse reactions reported. So, if you're looking for a holistic approach to post-stroke recovery, Tui Na might just be the answer. Give your loved ones the gift of better movement and a brighter future. Thanks for watching.